Let's create our first slideshow. In order to do that, I move my mouse down here to the dock, over my Keynote icon, click on it. The icon bounces, which shows me that Keynote is starting. First thing that Keynote does is it presents me with the Welcome to Keynote screen. Since we've already looked at that, let's click on Close. Here, we have the Theme Chooser dialog box. If I take my mouse and move it over the theme, I can see what that theme will look like when it's applied to different slides. Here's a slide with a chart in it. When I move my mouse over, I can see what the theme will look like when it's applied to a picture and some text. If I go down to this slide, the same thing appears. Here's a picture with some text beside it. Keep moving my mouse. There's a table and there's a chart. Rather than be distracted by any of the fancy themes, I like to start with a nice, simple white theme. I click on a theme to select it. Here I'll click on the black one. Here's Gradient. Whenever I click on a theme to select that theme, I get this yellow box around the theme indicating that I have selected it. I'll click the white theme, and now I need to choose my slide size. If I click in this dialog box, you can see that there are a number of options. 800 by 600 is what a lot of old projectors and really old computers would use. Most projectors nowadays will work with 1024 by 768. However, if you're going into a venue that's really old and you're not sure, you may want to stick with 800 by 600. Only the newest projectors have a resolution of 1280 by 720. For our purposes, I'm going to choose 1280 by 720. That will give you the best resolution in this tutorial so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Click on that to select, and now I simply choose Choose, and here I am in my first slide. I like to use this as my introduction slide. First, I'll type in the title of my workshop. So I double-click in this box, I get my flashing insert, and I type in Welcome to Keynote 09. Next, I'll use the subtitle box to either type in whoever is sponsoring my workshop, and in this case, it's Mac Pro Video. And I'll also use it to put my name in. If I don't have a sponsor, I'll just use it as an introduction to me and put my name in the box. So I double-click, and I'm going to type in the Mac Pro Video tutorial. You'll notice that when I typed in Mac Pro Video, I end up with this red line underneath the word. The red line indicates that there's a spelling error if the word is spelled incorrectly or if the word is not in the dictionary. I really think Mac Pro Video should be in the dictionary under quality learning. But that's just me. I press return, and now I'm going to type in my name. By Gary Atkins. There you have your first presentation and your first slide.